What's your favorite vlogger, Denise? Hey, how about you? Kita na lang nga doon. Ikaw nila Brisbane kay para tagang kay Festival na ikaw, Mr. Beast. Have you tried festivals? Yeah, they go to Opera House. Yeah, and di ba, he gives lots of Lamborghini. Yeah, and another
Only one Lamborghini.
Only one Lamborghini. And then, have you seen Mr. Beast in Australia?
Not much, because I don't go to Australia. I don't live in Australia.
Uy, naglabot sila eh. Kompleto ba ini?
Yes.
May naglabot sila eh.
Yes, na-open ko.
Video. You know what? I love Mr. Beast. Video ha. I love Mr. Beast. Do you love Mr. Beast? You don't